Are we rolling?
Yes.
Is this on?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Last example for 10.8, or no, 10.7, sorry. I make mistakes. So this is the last example. This is kind of a combination of multiplication and division. But first things first, we're going to go through the problem, just making sure to factor stuff, as we've been doing this the whole time. So first one, I'll factor. This goes back to Kung Fu method, which once again, I'm not going to show all the steps of the Kung Fu method. You should know about it now. Now it's 10.3. We've done it several times, so I'm just going to tell you what the factoring is. So it's going to be 2x plus 3, x minus 1. And then for 10x plus 20, this is 10.1. You're just pulling out a greatest common factor, which would be 10. And we're left with x plus 2. The next one, greatest common factor. This is actually a two-stepper here because we'll pull out our greatest common factor first, which would be x squared. Try to write this small enough to get both steps in here. So we're left with x squared minus 4, which then like the alarm system's going off because when I see this, I'm like, oh, 4 is a perfect square. I have two terms here. This must be a difference of perfect squares. So then I do this again here. I still have x squared outside, but now this goes to x plus 2, x minus 2. All right, so we'll just go lines with that to know that we're using those. Down here, once again, another perfect square. So it's x plus 1, x minus 1. So the difference of squares there in the factor. Now here's where we have to switch some stuff around. This is division. So we know we can't divide fractions, so we're going to multiply them and then flip it. So change this to multiplication. And then we'll go ahead and flip these. So this is going to come down here to factor. This is going to go top to factor. So 5x plus 5 is a GCF. I'll pull 5 out. I'm left with x plus 1. And then down here, I will pull out an x to the third power. And that leaves me with 2x plus 3. Everything's looking good. All right. Now we go back. This is where we, start to combine stuff together and eliminate things. So I go top to bottom here. 2x plus 3. I see it down here. Yes, so I can cancel it out. All right. X minus 1. Yep. X plus 2. Yep. X minus 2. Nope. X plus 1. Yep. And so now whatever I'm left with will stay on top on the numerator, and what's left down here will be the denominator. So this equals, see here we have a 5 and an x squared, so it'll be 5x squared, and the parentheses is x minus 2. And then on bottom we have a 10 and an x to the third, so that's going to be 10x to the third. So now you ask yourself this question, can I continue to go on? And yes I can, because these two things, we can reduce the fraction as well as subtract my exponents. So we're going to get a negative exponent, so I'm going to go ahead and write the negative down at the bottom to make it positive. So the final answer is going to be x minus 2 on top, and then 2x on bottom. Ta-da!